Cryptocurrencies are infamous for having the highest volatility of all asset classes. But even they sometimes enter phases where prices are just moving sideways and it becomes harder and harder to find good trading setups. Luckily, the financial markets do not only consist of cryptocurrencies, but offer a large variety of different asset classes that you can use for trading and investing. As a matter of fact, the daily trading volume of Bitcoin and Co. dwarfs in comparison to other asset classes such as the foreign exchange market or the stock market. You can also access these other asset classes, for example Forex, stocks and commodities, directly from your Prime XBT account. The best thing is that you can trade them without having to sell your cryptocurrencies first. The daily trading volume of the foreign exchange market, aka Forex, is a staggering 6.4 trillion US dollars. So basically the yearly GDP of Japan is traded every day. The sheer volume of this market makes it very attractive for traders, as prices are almost impossible to manipulate and even large position sizes will not move markets much in one direction. Buying and selling Forex is always done in pairs. So if you, for example, buy Euro US dollar, it means that you think the Euro will increase in strength in comparison to the US dollar. Maybe because you think that the EU economy will develop better than the US economy. Prime XBT offers a large selection of tradable Forex pairs with leverage of up to 1 to 1000. You can access a list of all available pairs if you select Forex on your trading window. If you ever wanted to profit from the ups and downs of the worldwide stock markets, we have the right tools for you to do so. Instead of having to go through the hideous process of selecting single stocks, Prime XBT offers indices for you to trade directly. Indices such as the S&P 500, which contains the 500 most important publicly traded US companies, reflect if the US stock market as a whole is currently going up or down. You think that US tech stocks will go up in the following days? Well, then you should select the Nasdaq as your trading instrument of choice. Select CFD from the upper left menu on your trading screen to see all tradable indices, plus also so-called commodities such as oil and gas. As a responsible trader and investor, you always should aim to build a portfolio of different asset classes. So next time you cannot find the right trades in crypto, maybe give Forex or the stock market a chance.